Because at the end of the day, with the right skills and the right mindset, there is no place, there's no ceiling that should keep you from reaching any of your dreams.
ALPLA is one of the unique places that pay for your schooling as well as teach you things on the job site. So they pay for schooling for 3 years, and then afterward you have a guaranteed job with them because you have the knowledge from going to school and learning about how to do electrical, mechanical, and pneumatic, as well as going into the plants and actually putting those skills to the test as soon as you learn them.
What interested me about joining the program is the opportunity for growth. It is the way that they care, because I feel like in a lot of fields they don't really care about your personal progress. Like they say we're a family, but I feel like here we actually are.
What helps them for the future with ALPLA is our coaching, basically. So we have dedicated apprenticeship trainers who are constantly working with them, not only on their technical skills, but also on their soft skills. So what they learn is communication, what they learn is time management. That is really important for us right now. And that's specifically for the first half of the program, where we really focus on the soft skills.
The apprenticeship program is a great opportunity for individuals to learn mechatronics and the background of plastics here at ALPLA, and to further better our business structure and get people at a higher trained level to be more successful.
There's an investment in talent within this organization, and it's tangible. You can see it, you can feel it. And that's the thing that truly makes it different. It's not about curriculum and classes and courses. It's a part of our DNA here, and that's exciting.